Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download file from WeTransfer link. So to do that, let's head on to WeTransfer. Alright, so I'm just going to upload a file for testing. So I'm going to upload this image over here and now click get a link. Alright, so over here we have this link, and now let's open this link. So you will get this link when someone sends you a download link for WeTransfer. Alright, so once you're on this website, on the left hand side you can see you have to agree to the terms of service. So just click on I agree, and over here you can see the option for download. Just click on download, and there you go. That is how you can download from WeTransfer link. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.